everyone, my name is Tintero Mark Jason, and today I'll be explaining simple linear regression, a basic yet powerful statistical tool used to predict outcomes based on a single factor. To start, we need to know what is simple linear regression. Simple linear regression is a method used to find the relationship between two variables, an independent variable, which is the factor we use to make predictions, and an dependent variable, which is the outcome we're trying to predict. Essentially, it fits a straight line to the data points to show how changes in the independent variable affect the dependent variable. Next thing we need to know is when is simple linear regression used. Simple linear regression is used when number 1, you want to predict a continuous outcome. Number 2, there's a linear relationship between the independent and dependent variables. For example, it can predict a student's grades based on the number of study hours. And number 2 is the sales revenue based on the advertising budget. After that, we need to know how to use simple linear regression. We have a basic guide here where number 1, collect data. Gather data for both the independent and dependent variables. Number 2, plot the data. Visualize the relationship using a scatter plot. Number 3, find the line of best fit. Use the formula y is equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope, which is the rate of change, and b is the y-intercept, which is the value of y when x is equals to 0. Number 4 is make predictions. Substitute values of x into the equation to predict y. After learning how and when to use simple linear regression, we need to know some examples to where simple linear regression is widely used in fields. Number 1 is education, where predicting exam scores based on study hours. Number 2 is estimating stock prices based on market trends. Number 3 is health, predicting weight loss based on exercise hours. Now let's also take a real-world example. Suppose you're predicting a student's average grades based on their weekly study hours. The independent variable x is the number of hours of study per week, and the dependent variable y is the grades. If the data shows that studying more hours leads to higher grades, you can use simple linear regression to predict a student's grades based on how much they study. To sum it up, simple linear regression is a straightforward yet powerful tool for making predictions when you have one independent and one dependent variable. It helps us understand relationships in data and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now have a clear understanding of simple linear regression.